Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Godly sprinkler for free in Grow a Garden. So Godly sprinkler is a very useful item that will increase plant size and then crop size and then mutation chance and also speeds up plant growth, and it will making perfect for boosting your garden's profits. And the good news is that you can get it completely free just by watching an ad. First, just tap on this ad, this one, and then in here just simply tap on watch, and just like that, when it's done you will instantly receive the rewards like this, and it will add it to your inventory automatically like this. You can see it like this, but just keep in mind that the ad reward system will reset every 20 hours, and the rewards can exchange each time it resets. So sometimes you might get different items and other times you may get this godly sprinkler. So make sure to check the ads rewards every day after the resets for a chance to claim this powerful item for free. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!